the time of Jonah.
Jonah.
Now Jonah was a prophet, and his job was to tell all the people about God. And he would travel all over the place.
Jonah Tower, this is Jonah Tower. Yes, you are clear for takeoff.
What? What was that?
It was the airplane he was taking off, traveling around.
Whoa. Whoa, that was close.
Oh, here comes the engine!
I can't even believe this. Dude, okay. Stop the plane.
He's coming over this.
Wait a minute, stop. Would you stop this plane? Man, but they didn't even have planes back in Jonah's time.
Oh, this is back in...
Back, this is not, this is back. This is Old Testament. No planes.
So submarines, they had to...
No submarines. No submarines.
It was the years of spaceships, a long time ago when the galaxy far from...
Unless they traveled back in time. We're back in Jonah's time.
It was a long time ago.
It was a long time ago.
So what did they have?
Well, they actually had animals, like donkeys, camels.
Oh, so about a donkey cycle.
Ooh, what was that?
The exhaust.
Oh, okay. Well, one day God told Jonah to go to the place called Nineveh.
Nineveh, beautiful.
No, it wasn't actually that great.
It's terrible.
It's terrible. Nineveh was full of real terrible people.
Yeah.
The kind that worshipped idols. They took things that weren't theirs. Wow. They even killed
I don't
people.
even want this.
Man. Golly. But there weren't bombs back in Jonah's. They didn't have sawed-off shotguns. Remember camels, remember donkeys. Let's keep it simple. Guns and stuff. All right, wait. Let's just get back to the story.
Sorry, go ahead.
Jonah was afraid. He didn't want to go to Nineveh. The Bible says that he disobeyed God. He got in a boat and he sailed in a complete opposite direction to get away from the presence of God. And at first, everything really seemed to be good. But then suddenly,
when they hit Dolly,
Jonah felt a slight gust of wind. No, really. It's regular wind, regular wind. Regular wind. That's it. Not irregular wind, it was regular wind. Yeah, and it blew, and the wind began to pick up and blow harder. Waves started crashing into the side of the ship. Suddenly Jonah found himself in the middle of a huge storm. It was a huge storm. of my disobedience. Throw me overboard and the storm will stop. So they grabbed Jonah, threw him over the side of the ship. And he hit the water with a great splash. Jonah sunk toward the ocean floor. He was afraid he was going to drown when suddenly the water began to rumble. He looked below and he saw eyes. Eyes of a great, huge, gigantic fish. The fish swallowed Jonah up.
Tastes like chicken.
Now Jonah was trapped inside the belly of this great beast, and it was hot. It was dark. It was slimy. It smelled like fish guts.
Oh, fish butts.
No, fish guts.
That's why I said fish butts.
Now wait a minute. Say fish.
Yeah, fish.
All right, say guts.
Guts, yeah.
All right, now put them together.
Yeah, fish butts.
Whatever. For 3 whole days, Jonah was in the belly of this great fish. Finally, he did the right thing. He asked God for...
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
He asked God to forgive him for not paying his taxes. No, to ask God to forgive him for being disobedient. The Bible says that when he prayed, the fish threw him up onto the beach. What? Wow. So Jonah flew through the air and landed on the beach. But the fish, he turned around and he swam into the ocean.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
When he arrived, he stood before this massive gate in the city. And he raised and he clenched his fist. And he began to bang on the door. Wilma! No, it wasn't that. Banging on the door. Banging on the door. Okay, banging on the door. Whatever. Would someone open the door? Jonah found himself face to face with the wicked people of Nineveh.
Yeah, who's that slimy guy right there?
Jonah began to preach to them. Instead of them getting mad, they decided to give him a shot. No! Give him a chance. They didn't want to kill him.
Oh, God! Jonah! Get up, man! Jonah! Oh, he's not getting breathing. Oh, get him out now. Oh! Smells like fish butts.
Because Jonah obeyed God's way, not only was he rescued from the great fish, but all the people of Nineveh were saved. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Pastor Matt and his master sound effects.